question in acid spaces salts. Here you are provided with 5 different solutions A, B, C, D and E. They are tested with a universal indicator and they have showed pH range of 4, means A solution related to 4 pH. So 4 pH is shown by A, next 1 by B and 11 by C, 7 by D and also 9 by E. Right. Now we have to identify which solution is neutral, which solution is strongly alkaline, which solution is strongly acidic, weakly acidic and also weakly alkaline. So what we have to do here to understand about pH paper or universal indicator, first of all we have to arrange the substances whatever are given according to their pH level. Now 0 to 14 is the pH range here, exactly 7 if you are getting, that becomes a neutral one. 7 to 14 will come under basic substances, alkaline substances. 0 to 7, less than 7 and from 0 up to less than 7 they will come under the acidic substances. So according to that, if you see neutral substance, whichever substance is giving the pH value of 7, that becomes a neutral substance. So which is giving 7 for us? Now let us write first of all from the question what we understood. A is showing the pH of 4 and B is showing the pH of 1, C is showing the pH of 11, next D is showing the pH of 7 and E is showing the pH of 9. So according to this, if you arrange 7 pH we are getting for D substance. So neutral substance means D we can select. Next, strongly alkaline. Strongly alkaline, how we can identify? More than 7 if any substance, if we are getting pH value, that becomes an alkaline substance. So whichever is nearer to 14 or 14, then it becomes a strongly alkaline. Whichever is nearer to 7, between 7 to 14 we are saying alkaline. So nearer to 7 becomes a weakly alkaline. Nearer to 14 becomes a strongly alkaline. So which is nearer to 14 here? 11. That means C substance is nearer to 14. So that is why among these substances, among these 5 substances, strongly alkaline substance becomes C. Strongly alkaline is C. Next, strongly acidic substance. Strongly acidic, how we have to identify? 0 to 7 we are saying acidic substances. So whichever is nearer to 0, that becomes a strongly acidic substance. Whichever is nearer to 7, that becomes a weakly acidic. Right. So in this, if you see, which are the acidic substances first of all? A and B both are acidic substances. Right. Because here A is nearer to 7, that becomes a weakly acidic. B is nearer to 0, that is why it is becoming strongly acidic substance. So we can select here B as a strongly acidic substance. Next, weakly acidic substance. Which is weakly acidic substance? Which is nearer to 7 here? This one is nearer to 7. Between 0 to 7 acidic substance, whichever is nearer to 7, that particular substance shows the acidic nature, that to weakly acidic nature. So that is why A we can select for weakly acidic nature. Next, weakly alkaline substance. Whichever is showing 7 to 14 pH, that substance becomes alkaline substance, and whichever is showing nearer to 7, that becomes a weakly alkaline, which is showing nearer to 14, that becomes a strongly alkaline. So which substance is showing that nearer to 7 here? E substance, because its pH is 9. So that is why we can select E as a weakly alkaline substance. So neutral substance is D. Next, strongly alkaline is C. Next, strongly acidic substance is B. Weakly acidic substance is A. Next, weakly alkaline is E. According to the pH order, if you want to arrange them, least to highest means increasing order. If you want to arrange them, what we have to do? First of all, B, next A, after that D, E, C. Decreasing order means reverse we have to arrange them.